Imagine living inside a volcano in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Just off the coast of Japan, there's a tiny island that looks almost unreal. This is Aogashima, one of the most remote inhabited places in Japan. From above, it looks like an ordinary island. But look closer. Inside the island is a massive volcanic crater. And inside that crater sits another smaller volcano. A volcano inside a volcano. And yes, people actually live here. Fewer than 200 residents call this remote island home. But getting there isn't easy. Aogashima is surrounded by towering cliffs and rough ocean waters, making access extremely difficult. And the island has a terrifying past. In 1785, a major volcanic eruption devastated Aogashima, forcing the island's residents to flee. Years later, people slowly returned, and life began again on top of this giant volcano. Today, Aogashima feels like a place from another world, incredibly remote, peaceful, and almost untouched. A hidden volcanic island where people still live inside a volcano. Would you actually travel here? Follow for more incredible places around the world that look like they belong in another planet.